Let's answer some true or false statements today. Is it true that old age affects males and females the same way? Physiologically and behaviorally, true. There are many factors that progress in both males and females equally with old age. Most underrated of that factor is osteoporosis. In India alone, more than 50 million old age people are osteoporotic, and these numbers are on the rise. Does osteoporosis affect females more than males? False. Studies have shown that men have equal predisposition for bone density loss. In fact, fractures and other complications related to osteoporosis are more fatal in men than women. There's a 30% higher chance of men undergoing hip or vertebral fracture than women. Do postmenopausal women have more loss of bone density than same age group men? True. Even though osteoporosis affects men and women equally, postmenopausal women show greater loss of bone density. Can dairy consumption solve this issue? True, but to an extent. As discussed earlier, lactose intolerance might increase in adulthood, which in turn might be responsible for lowering of dietary calcium obtained from milk. So, how do we maintain a balance between lactose intolerance and osteoporosis? One way can be to have calcium supplements with processed dairy products, or just have milk whey protein supplements which is devoid of lactose, so it does not cause any harm. A report suggested that consumption of milk whey proteins increases absorption of calcium in osteoporosis cases. Therefore, continuous dairy product consumption does prevent or at least slows the process of bone resorption and gradual loss of density.